Hello everyone! Welcome back to Step by Step Japanese. Today, we are going to learn the consonant S line in hiragana. Sa, shi, su, se, so. This line is very important because, look, it's almost the same pattern as English. S vowels sa, su, se, so. But there's one big difference. The second one is not she. It's she. Yes, like the word she in English. This is special and very common in Japanese. So let's practice it together today. This is sa. It sounds like sa in san. Repeat after me. Sa. 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 And here's how to write it. This is she. It's not she. It sounds like she in she. Repeat after me. She. 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 And here's how to write it. This is su. It sounds like Sue in super. Repeat after me. Su. 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 And here's how to write it. This is se. It sounds like say in set. Repeat after me. Se. 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 And here's how to write it. This is so. It sounds like so in sock. Repeat after me. So. 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 And here's how to write it. Next, let's learn some easy words using these sounds. Saku means to bloom. Let's say it. Saku. 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 Asa means morning. Let's say it. Asa. 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 Shiki means 4 seasons. Let's say it. Shiki. 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 Ashi means foot or leg. Let's say it. Ashi. 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 Suki means like or love. Let's say it. Suki. 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 Kisu means kiss. Let's say it. Kisu. 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 Sekai means world. Let's say it. Sekai. 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 Kiseki means miracle. Let's say it. Kiseki. 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 Asoko means over there. Let's say it. Asoko. 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 Uso means lie. Let's say it. Uso. Uso. Uso.
Saku hana biru
Let's check what you remember. I'll give you hints and you say the answer out loud. Ready? Let's start the quiz. Number 1. How do you say world in Japanese? Yes, it's 世界. Number 2. How do you say morning in Japanese? Good. It's 朝. Number 3. How do you say like or love in Japanese? Right. It's 好き. Number 4. How do you say foot or leg in Japanese? Correct. It's 足. Number 5. How do you say over there in Japanese? Yes, it's あそこ. Number 6. How do you say lie in Japanese? Yes, it's 嘘. Number 7. How do you say to broom in Japanese? Correct. It's 咲く. Number 8. How do you say kiss in Japanese? Good. It's キス. Number 9. How do you say four seasons in Japanese? Yes, it's 四季. Number 10. How do you say miracle in Japanese? Right. It's 奇跡. Great job, everyone. Today we learned their sounds. さ、し、す、せ、そ. Next time, we'll continue with the T sounds. た、ち、つ、て、と. So please look forward to it. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Step by Step Japanese. And let's keep learning Japanese together, step by step. See you next time. またね!